Jeffshman Auto Group is proud to present Emerge Recovery and Trade Initiative, whose mission is to empower individuals on their journey to recovery and support those aging out of foster care. We are fortunate to visit Emerge's expansive campus and see the incredible work they're doing. Here are some of the things we saw.
But we have about 20 in residential treatment. It's a 30-day inpatient program. They have their own kitchen facility, a huge day room with like TVs and ping pong table, so a lot of space for them to gather as a community.
What really drew me here to Emerge was the amount of faith that I saw in not just the founders, but the team that was drawn here. Every single person believes in the mission, and every person fights together to make it happen.
My experience in the field started with my journey into recovery. God willing, on July 22nd of this year, I'll have 25 years in recovery. And it all started with me walking into a men's residential treatment center.
I've been in the streets most of my life. You know, I got 3 prison numbers, half a lifetime and counting myself. So I come from these people. And I made it out of it, you know. And if I didn't have good people in my life to kind of get me out of it, I wouldn't be standing here today. So it's important to me to be standing there with these guys and just be a light to them, you know, to be a testimony that it can happen.
I care so much about this mission because I was one of these guys and battled with addiction for most of my life.
Emerge is different because we have not just staff who really care. I mean, the majority of us are in recovery, but also we have a whole campus here where people can really just reset.
You have an opportunity to be around a community that really accepts you. The opposite of addiction is not being sober, it's connection. So community and being accepted in a community is crucial.
There is a home type of atmosphere and feeling, and nobody cares anything about titles. We're just there together to support each other.
We know the team that we assembled here. We've got a reputation in the community that we are people who care.
We have a strong bond, not just with our staff, but with our clients to make sure that they get what they need.
People know that people who work here have been doing this a long time, and we got their back, no matter what.
Here at Emerge, what I really think is an awesome thing is you have people with $100,000 degrees hanging on the walls, working beside people that have just came out of an active recovery that was homeless last year. To see that teamwork of the people working together, to see all the different levels of economic status, of just all the different people working together to make one mission, you know, succeed, is really a beautiful thing to watch.
For many people who come through here, the biggest thing is evidence. You know, for so long they're out on the street hopeless, miserable, and discontent, and they've had no evidence that their life can be for the better. So here they get to encounter the staff who has lived that once upon a time.
Our 5-year plan is to incorporate women and potentially former foster youth as well.
Really?
Yeah, so we know that they have great needs, especially those that are aging out of foster care. They've all experienced trauma, and we don't want them to go down that road of substance use disorder. If we can just wrap resources and love and support around them, get them invested in, you know, a good career, that maybe we can help prevent that from happening. You know, like if we could help one person, that's amazing, and then all of the people that are helped by that one person being helped. You know, their family, their significant other, their wife, their, you know, their brother. It goes on and on. So.
And then as they're contributing around here, they're helping.
Yeah. Then they
the
come
next
back.
wave
We saw it. I mean, we had some alumni here that have been helped, and now they're mentoring the next one. They're like, Elaine, hey, can I bring this guy that I'm counseling? I'm like, yes, I want him to be here to see it. So it is a full 360-degree kind of thing where people are now learning about giving back and how that fuels them in their own recovery.